my great friends. My name is Z, and today we are going on a gigantic adventure with the letter G. Are you ready? Let's sing a song about the letter
G is great, G is grand, grows green grass across the land. G is for grapes, so juicy and sweet, a tasty snack that's fun to eat. G is for guitar, strum and play, making music bright and gay. G is for goat, so bouncy and free, jumping around so happily. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat, munching on leaves, a tasty treat. G is for garden, flowers in bloom, with butterflies dancing, spreading perfume.
Now let's learn how to write the letter G. Follow me. That's a big G. Great job. Now let's try the small G. You are doing great. Now grab your pencil and practice tracing the letter G and look for G words all around you. Stay great and giggle. Goodbye.